In this video, you'll learn how to connect Trojan Bot to your Phantom wallet. This process involves using Telegram to access the bot and securely linking your wallet. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Trojan Bot to locate the bot, and select it from the search results. After opening the Trojan Bot chat, you will need to initiate the interaction by typing start in the message input field. Press the send button and the bot will respond with a welcome message presenting you with various options. Next, look for the option labeled Connect Wallet or Import Wallet within the bot's response. This option may appear as a button or a message that you can tap or click. Selecting this will guide you to the next step of the wallet connection process. If prompted, choose the option for external wallet. Assuming this is available, this selection indicates that you are linking a wallet that is not directly managed by the bot itself, which is often a safer choice. At this point, the bot will request your private key to complete the connection. It is crucial to only paste your private key if you are absolutely certain that you trust the bot completely. Remember, sharing your seed phrase is never advisable as it can compromise your wallet's security. Once you have entered your private key, the bot should process this information. Depending on the bot's response, you may receive a confirmation that your wallet has been successfully connected. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your private key is entered correctly and that you are following all prompts accurately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.